Hi guys, welcome back to the shed and welcome back to part 2 on the Suzuki GP100. So in the last video, carb clean, we also adjusted the oil pump, got that perfect. Went to look at the points, and if you remember, we didn't have any. But we did obviously find that bird's nest of wiring. So yeah, carb clean, oil pump, change engine oil. She runs a lot better now, but we've got a charging issue, so we keep blowing bulbs. So let me remind you what the wiring looks like. So, tidied up as much as I could. What we've got here is, these are the battery connections. And this is, believe it or not, the little rectifier that came with it. Now, ticking over, we were getting 11 volts to this box, and we were getting near on 8 back. So obviously as you rev it, the more power comes through. And this just isn't man enough. So we need to replace that. Now I looked at trying to find a genuine Suzuki one. Can't find one. I found a second-hand one, but it looks absolutely rotten. So I've gone for another generic one, which apparently is supposed to work. But I've got a funny feeling I might need to put 2 rectifiers in line. But anyway, so purpose of the video today is change the rectifier, new battery, change the battery lead. So not a lot really. So we've got a generic 4 amp hour, I think it's a 4 amp hour 6 volt battery, good old tool station jobby, and we've got another Chinese rectifier. So I'm going to change some connections, get this fitted on the bike, and then we can test to see if it actually does the job, or do we need to put 2 in line. So let's get wiring. Okay, first off, new battery. We're going to create a new battery loom. So, fuse, piece of black wire. Cut that. Strip those ends. Now, I don't know what I'm going to put on the other end yet, but I'll put this end on first. Now, I do hate using these crimps, but I've got no other space. So it's going to have to be one of these, unfortunately. I don't like them. Okay. Quite a tight fit. That's the positive one. It's a bit thinner this wire, we'll give it a bit more. Fold it over. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of these. I've even got the automatic ones, but I just find that doing it the old-fashioned by hand, I can get a better crimp on it. So obviously we don't want these coming off, do we? That wouldn't be fun. Okay, so that's the negative done. Oh. Okay, so now we need to go and modify what's on the bike. These are the 2 battery connections on the bike. So we're going to cut these off and replace them with bullets. Strip both of these. I've got some bullets here. I think I'll put female ones this end and male ones on the other. Quite thick wires, these ones. Don't know if these bullets might be too small, but we'll give it a go.
That's one bullet on. Plastic cover.
I do prefer using like the Japanese connectors. They are a lot better. Okay. So we got these two bullets on. Now we need to go and do the same on the other side of the battery terminals, but obviously we want females on that one. These are the battery terminals we made earlier, or battery connections. We need to put a female bullet on each end. Start off with a cover on one. That's now the other end done. So that's negative battery terminal. Now we'll do the positive. And that's the positive lead done. Go and connect them to the bike. Right, negative. Beautiful. Positive. Lovely. So we've got plenty of land on those leads, so we shouldn't have to worry about those. So let's just tuck those in. Might get a few cable ties. Oh, there's a little bracket here. Put those in neatly. That's it, push them out of the way. I will get a cable tie just to hold them up near the battery box. And then ones are in. Now we need to cut this off and put the new one on and then see if it all works. Let's get this cut off. We'll leave quite a bit of wire on there. We'll strip these cables ready. And we'll go and see what connectors we need. So this comes with female bullets. So I need to put 2 male bullets on there. Okay, that's the new rectifier in. What I need to do now, fit the battery, and then I suppose fire it up and test the voltages. Now the smoke's cleared a bit, we can have a look. So it's a lot tidier. I've bolted the new rectifier in there, tidied everything up, happy with that now. Everything, well, I say everything works. I thought I saw a neutral light earlier, I didn't, it was just my lights reflecting off of it, but there you go. Nice bright light. Indicators, telltale works. We've got no high beam telltale, no neutral. I know the headlight's got no low beam and there's no pilot light, so we need to take all that apart and see what bulbs we need. I also fitted a, I say new, I think, oh, that's better. It was a bit second hand, but the original rear light lens has definitely been a rear light lens too long, completely broken. Yeah, so I think next, see what bulbs we need. I don't know why this is bare metal, but I'm going to give that a bit of a paint. And then, yeah, get the bodywork back on. That's all that painted in. Got a bit carried away. I gave some other bits. And look, got a neutral light. I didn't actually take anything apart. Well, I did. I took the headlight bulb out and there was just a loose connection in there. So we need a new headlight bulb. I've gone through all my stock. I haven't got one. It's a funny old shaped bulb. Full beam works on it, but low beam doesn't. So I think that's all we need to get for it now. Everything else seems to work. So yeah, I won't do a whole video on how to fit a bulb because that'd be boring, wouldn't it? Yeah, all I'm going to do now is put the bodywork back on and we'll call that done. Right, she's all back together. I even wiped it over with a cloth. Bring all this, all this dodgy paintwork back up. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Nothing else really to do, just got to order headlight bulb, side light bulb. Yeah, I mean, I've got neutral, brilliant. Yeah, nothing else to do on it. She's a runner, she runs pretty sweet. I'm going to take it out on the road when I get it insured. Yeah. Okay, well that's it for this one. I think that wraps up the Suzuki. You may see it in a future video, just me riding it. Who knows? Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you all in the next one.